Hey, Brendan. Brendan. Hey, Brendan. Brendan.
Yeah.
I only got 1 kill. Because other kids want, that one kid wouldn't call his hits. Did you walk back behind cover?
Yeah, my gun is shooting to the right a little bit.
What?
Yeah, I knew that would happen once more younger.
And then he sniped him, and then he finally called.
The guy that wouldn't call his hits shot me in the leg.
Yeah, he sniped him. It's kind of funny. Okay, what is this? Why did you do it?
Right there. There he is, there he is. You need to replace the CO2.
Hey, when you turn that corner on that red crate, he's right on the other side.
Red crate you're on.
Most of our team on this left side. We're gonna get hit hard. Yeah.
Yay, double team kill. Here, I'm gonna cross fire, okay?
Alright.
Oh, that's a spider.
Okay. Oh shit, it is. If it's a spider or not. Okay. We have more pressing manners. I don't know. Like not getting shot. Oh my god. And there's just a small spider. Woo! My ass. Ah, nice. Damn, right here. Dead man.
Where is he?
Right behind the blue crate where I'm usually hiding spot. Good little hiding spot, eh?
Oh! Blue crate. I have him under fire. Keep your gun up at him. When he peeks again. He's trying to peek.
Cover me, I'm gonna run across.
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, keep your eye on your left.
Moving right. We're moving this part to our right. Walking.
Hey, there's a guy that's been trying to push left. Left of this crate. Hit! Crossing through. Brendan, no!
Go, push right side, let's go!
Brendan, they keep on flesh wounding me in my leg. What you do is you go on the right side and you cross through the barbed wire.
Get some water. I'm going back to the truck. I'm going to get some water. I don't want to pass out.
Yep. I think we're losing control. Hey guys!
My thing broke, so I have to use it by hand.
Wow.
Yes.
You're feeding mag by hand right now?
Yep.
Well, I see that.
It hurts, man. No, don't even.
Right there.
Don't even.
Oh,
I'm good.
come on, you need to get those views.
No, man, no. I won't take it. I'm not gonna take it.
Take it, boy!
No!
Take it!
No!
Holy... Hey, we got some support.
Yeah. It's fine. I can do it by hand. Thank you.
He didn't give me a lift.
Your local Uber right there. Come on.
Wait. Why does he have a pink flag?
Oh no. Hope he's not giving it to the other team.
Oh no.
At least if they're gonna give that to the other team, give us the tank.
No. Give us the one with the big gun on.
What?
Has anybody got more than 2 kills?
No.
I got 3, except the third person didn't call his hit.
Yeah, well, I think I got 3. I got one person by randomly full auto.
There
Whoops,
should
sorry.
be a rule. If they don't call their hits, then they can't. Then you don't have to call your hits when they hit you.
I wish that was the same. Then you're just being the same as them.
Oh no. The other people can hit you.
Hey, dude. Where are they at?
Down there, in the open.
What you do is you jump out to the side, pop about 3 or 4 shots, and then duck back in.
Hey. One guy over there and a bunch on our left side.
Dang it, I wish I had my grenade. And I wish I had green gas for it.
Oh, I just saw a gun barrel.
Okay, okay.
Look. There's one over there.
No, you wait for him to peek a little bit.
Huh?
You hit? Oh, my gun hit.
There's no gun hits here.
No.
Oh, Jesus.
Are they right there? Where are they?
No, there's one on the blue container straight in front of me. Just peeking his head out. Hit. Gun hit.
Hey! Post there!
Oh! Oh!
Where'd you get hit?
Right
Okay,
in the
keep your
crotch.
gun up.
Hey!
I see him.
Hi.
Oh, wow.
He's close. Tree.
Cover me on that side. Make sure your number is
He's at the bricks. He's crouching
I
down.
see him.
There's a guy closer. Red crate. He's,
Whoa!
okay, guys, get ready to bang bang.
Wait, we're bang
Coming
bang
toward us?
There's a guy bang bang close.
Step up.
If he comes around, I'm bang banging him.
Everybody says
And
bang bang.
that corner right there's a guy right there too.
Wait, I don't have my sight on.
No blind fire.
You got me.
Pop out and shoot.
Where is he though?
Cinder blocks. Blue crate. Okay, back up for a second, back up. Hit!
He's waiting for you.
Push up that corner.
I did, he shot me there. Crossing line.
Just throw off my gun.
Bring it back up there.
Game over.
That's not until they blow the whistle.
Okay.
They did. Kristen.
Yeah.
Right side, there's a one guy that keeps on picking us off.
Alright.
One tried to.
Where's he at?
Right side, way in the cinder blocks red crates. He might have moved. Oh, no, there he is. Ow, hit. They keep on aiming for my legs. Right side's weak.
Well, now they're closer up on the left side, so we get to that wall.
My main mag broke.
Oh boy.
And my 2 other mags I have to load by hand, but I couldn't fit all 120 BBs into them.
That's why you buy a speed loader.
Yeah, I don't have a speed loader. My mom was like, no, you should do it by hand and not get a speed loader.
Speed loading is what everyone does.
But my main mag broke.
Hey, how many kills?
Augustus,
I got
do you have any
one
rounds
mag.
left?
I'm at 5.
I got 2.
I'm at 5 now.
I think I got
Augustus,
Yeah, but how many deaths?
don't waste your batteries. Try to put that on the
3.
semi.
I got 2.
Put that on the semi.
You're allowed to have it on auto outside the city.
No, he said no auto in the city.
In there?
Yeah, inside the barbed wire.
All right,
You can do auto outside the city, just not in the city.
and that's where that, okay. Got it. I stand correct. Thank you.
Rory, but know that it will waste more battery.
Yeah, it will waste more battery going full auto.
Hey, do you have an extra mag? Because no, I can't even see.